Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. To demonstrate here on a 2012 Ford F-150, guys. You will have two fuse boxes on your F-150. One is under the trunk, under the hood. This is the under the hood fuse box right here. Okay, let me open to show you quick. Okay, that fuse box, okay, right here, that's the one under the hood, but we don't need this one, guys. We need another one, and I'm talking about that fuse box that's on the passenger side underneath, kind of like under the glove box on the right side towards the kick panel. Once you open the cover, you're going to see your fuse box with fuses that will look like that. Now let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. The first fuse that you will need to check, guys, for the driver's side front power window. If you come in the left row right here, the very top fuse right here that says 30 amp, that's the fuse that you need to check. If you need to buy replacement fuses or relays at a really good price, check out the link in the description of the video below. If your window doesn't work, always check that fuse first. Another thing that you can check is the power window switch fuses, guys. You will have multiple fuses. We have the video on the channel, check it out. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.